Hello, here is a solution to the vowel count coding exercise. We are asked to create a function that takes a string and returns the number or count of vowels contained within that string. We are not going to include Y. Um, so the vowels are going to be A, E, I, O, U. And we also want to be able to identify the capital versions of those. So here's a hint for you. Let's uncomment this to show how this can work. Here I've created a list of vowels, and that's going to be important because there's no way for Python to know to distinguish between English characters. So we're going to have to specifically state or assign some kind of collection that holds all of the vowels. So here we have our list of vowels. We can use the if in conditional clause. And we can try this out with a word equal to today. So the word is today. And I can use a for loop to check. Have some weird indentation here. So I could iterate through I for each item in the word. I can check if um, one of those characters is a vowel. So I could do for I in word, if I in V, um, print I or something like that. Okay, so this is identifying the two vowels that are in the word today. All right, so let's turn this into a function then. Comment that out. And as usual, we'll start off with our function definition. I see that I want to use the term count vowels for the name of the function. And I can see here that the input is going to be some string, and whether or not it may contain vowels, it may not, but we're going to add the functionality to check that. So we'll do count underscore vowels. And we just need one argument here. We can call it S to represent the input string. Okay, so because I need to output a count, I think I'm just going to create an account variable to store how many vowels we're going to see in the word. So now we can add the iterative process. So I could do for I in S, knowing that I'm iterating through a string and checking each letter. Now I'm going to want to do this if I in, and then I need the collection here. So why don't I just take the collection of vowels, set that equal to V. So now I'm initializing a variable called V that holds all of the vowels. I have the count variable ready to go. I'm going to check if each of the items in the input string is contained within the collection of vowels. If it is, I want to incrementally increase the count. So we've done this the long way and the short way. We could say count is equal to count plus 1, or I could do this the shorter way, which is just to say count plus equal 1, and that does exactly what I just had. So return count is what we want to do. Okay, so I'm checking each item in the string to see if each item is part of the collection V. If it is, anytime that it matches, anytime a a character in the string is contained within the collection of vowels, I increment the count by 1. So I'm just reassigning the value of the count every time I do this for loop with this conditional statement. So I can run this, and now I just need to uncomment the tests so I can see how they are working. Okay, so I should get a 5, a 1, and a 4, with celebration having 5 vowels, palm having 1, and prediction having 4. So it looks like we're getting the expected output there. So this is all you need for the coding challenge. I hope that helps. I hope you're able to get some of the functionality on your own, and then this solution hopefully filled in any gaps. Thanks, everyone.